is really good to see you. Hmm? Oh, yeah, I'll come in. Don't worry about it. It's just a little bit of rain. Yeah, the drive was okay. Luckily, you live pretty nearby. Hmm? Something hot to drink? Oh no, I'm good. Oh, all right. If you insist. I guess a bit of hot coffee wouldn't hurt. And I'm sorry again for calling you so late. I had to wait until my mom was asleep. Yeah, it's my mom. She's been drinking again. You know how it is. Thanks. I know she said she was going to quit, but you know, that's never stopped her before. If it was just the drinking, though, I could handle her. But she also went through my phone today. I hate it when she does that. And of course, she went straight to the texts. And she saw your name at the top. And then came all the questions. Who's this? Why do you have a boy's name on your phone? What have you two been doing together? Of course, she immediately assumed the worst. And then came the interrogation, and it was awful. Such an invasion of privacy. I felt so violated. Maybe that's too strong of a word. I don't know. I didn't like it. I hate living in that house. It feels so suffocating. What? Yeah, of course you can hug me. Thanks. I love your hugs. They're always so warm. Ah, thanks. Whoa, you're getting better at this. Good job. Yeah. I know I'll be out of there soon. But hey, it's awesome that we're both going to the same college, right? I honestly can't wait. It's gonna be so much fun. Think of all the new things we do together, like going to parties, trying out new restaurants, making new friends. Until my mom inevitably calls 7 times a day to check up on me. I know. I shouldn't be bothering you with my dumb shit. You don't have to comfort me. You should be sleeping right now. Go to bed and try to get some rest, okay? I'll just crash on your couch for tonight. Yeah, the couch. It's comfy. I'll be fine. No, I am absolutely not sleeping in your bed. Jesus, what kind of guest would I be if I interrupted your sleep and took your bed as well? Oh yeah? Where are you gonna sleep then? The couch? The floor? Nope. Nope. Not happening. Okay. Look, what if we compromise? What do I mean? Well, I've been in your room before, and your bed's pretty big. We could, you know, share it? You're cool with that, right? Okay, good. I was worried I was being weird for a second there. Only for a second? Oh, shut up. Let's go. Oh, yeah. We could totally both fit in that. Okay, so, wait a second. Well, I kinda forgot to bring pajamas. No, I certainly cannot get in your bed in these damn clothes. I mean, I've worn them all day. You have some? Sweet. Don't mind if I do. Oh man, these look so comfy. Okay, you, sir, have good taste. Alright, give me a second to change. Well, how do I look? Yeah, they're a little big on me, but they'll do. Oh, shut up! You don't get to call me short. I'm still a year older than you, okay? 9 months? Oh, so you're counting now? Okay, okay. Scoot your lazy ass over. I'm getting in. Huh. Your bed is surprisingly soft. Why do you have so many pillows, though? I gotta say, I was expecting more anime characters on them. Oh, you shoved all of them under your bed, huh? Yeah, good call. Can't let your friend know how much of a degenerate weeb you are, after all. Hey, we're both degenerate weebs. I'll have you know, I'm the one who got you into anime, remember? Yeah. This is nice. It's always nice whenever I get to sleep with someone. Oh, God! I knew you'd say something like that. That is not what you meant, and you know that. You are the worst sometimes. Seriously. Thanks for letting me stay the night. It was really kind of you. Hey, so, there's something I've been meaning to talk to you about. And this seems to be as good a time as any. Well, I've been having these feelings for the past couple of weeks. And I've been trying really hard to ignore them. But I don't think I can anymore. You're just always nice to me. Always there when I need you, you know? Like, you even let me stay the night, and you didn't hesitate at all. You let me borrow your clothes, knowing full well you're probably never getting these back. You always let me pick the movies we watch. You always make me laugh. And every time we're together, I get these butterflies in my stomach. And this urge to just get closer to you. And I know I don't have that much experience having male friends. I was never really allowed to have them, thanks to Mom. But still, I don't think these kinds of feelings are normal for a friend to have. I'm so bad at explaining shit like this. Basically, what I'm trying to say is, I think I want to be more than friends. You know, like a couple. I mean, I didn't want to say anything. I mean, I did, but I knew that it might ruin our friendship, and I definitely didn't want that because I didn't want to lose you because you're my best friend. You are my best friend. Probably my best friend. No, you are. So, if you don't feel the same way, that's totally fine, and I understand. If you don't feel the same way, then I really, really want to stay friends, and You just kissed me. I'm I've never been kissed before. Could we please do that again? Wait, this, what does this mean? Do you feel the same way? You do? Really? Because you totally don't have to, we could still be Okay. Okay, I get it. You proved your point. Wow. Wow. It feels so good to finally have that off my chest. So, we're like actually together now. Like, we're a couple? I'm not really sure I know how this works. Could we, cuddle? Awesome. I'm gonna rest my head on your chest, okay? Here we go. This feels really nice. Oh, man, how am I gonna go to sleep now? Because I'm too excited. It's never gonna happen. Will just keep you awake the entire night. Not that I would mind keeping you awake. That actually sounds pretty nice. Okay, I'll try. You're right. It's late. And we both need sleep. I'll see you in the morning. Cutie.